Hello guys, it's Tor. I'll be going to show you how to add shortcuts on your Windows start button. Right click, like you see, by right clicking it, you can open Notepad like that. You see? So first, open Run, type in regedit, navigate to hashpapa a classes or root, and then go to directory. Okay, shell find. Shell. Okay, and you now make a new folder if you want to open it like this. Then the command. Okay, I'll make one. And make a new key. Name it. Let's see. You can put whatever you want. I'm gonna choose one from there. uTorrent. Name it. Rename uTorrent. Make a new key. Rename it command, or click it. Double click the string and put there the location. When is uTorrent? Maybe it will work. Okay, now let's see if it works. Yes, you see? You can add more, like let's add the Sony Vegas. Okay, so shell new key Sony Vegas Pro 10 new key command, put it program files Vegas.exe. Now that is there. You see. Thank you for watching my video, and please subscribe to my channel. This is Test 10. Bye bye.